All right, let's talk about the polar coordinates and its area elements. All right, before we do that, maybe we should talk about rectangular coordinates and its area elements. All right, so we're familiar with rectangular or Cartesian coordinates, and so you have an x-axis and y-axis, and the area element is you can visualize it by, so you have a little bit of x, so let's call it dx, and then you have a little bit of piece of y, so it's a dy. Right, then we're looking at sort of a rectangular region, which looks kind of like this. So this rectangular region right here, right? Then we want to express the area of basically this small piece, right? But the area can be expressed as, so this guy right here, right? Since it's a rectangular region, so area element for this guy is going to be simply base times height. So this is dx dy times dy. Right? How about in polar coordinate system? Right? So in this case, so in polar coordinate we use r and theta. So you can see that the region is going to look like this. So you have a little bit piece of alpha theta, right? So I'm going to just kind of draw it like this. Alright, so this is going to be a little piece of theta, so I'm going to call it d theta. Alright, then you talk about a little bit piece of say r, so let's say from here to there, so I kind of draw it big. Right, so say this is going to be dr, right, and the location is here, say this is a r. Let's see, this is going to be from here to there. Say this is, say, R, right? Then you can kind of visualize this part of a kind of a pie-shaped region, right? So we're looking at this region. Alright, since it's skinny enough, so we can pretend that this is a rectangular region, and each side is, let's say, so dr, so it's a dr, and this length is going to be determined by r times d theta. So we know that here it's going to be r times d theta. It's going to be the length from here to there, right? So if you want to find the express the area element, so d theta, so I'm going to probably dA, area element, is going to be, so pretend that this is going to be just a rectangular region, so it's going to be dr times r d theta, so I'm going to write it as r dr d theta, right, which is the familiar area element for the polar coordinates, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.